Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add your Gmail to your Facebook account, quickly and easily so you can manage your online presence more efficiently. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account using your current credentials. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. On the left sidebar, click Account Center. This is where you manage your personal details and linked accounts. Inside Account Center, click Personal Details, then select Contact Info. Now click Add Email Address. A small window will appear. Click Add New Contact, then choose Add Email. Type in your Gmail address carefully and click Next. Facebook will send a confirmation code to your Gmail. Open a new tab, go to gmail.com, and check your inbox for the email from Facebook. Copy the confirmation code, return to Facebook, and paste the code where prompted. Once confirmed, your Gmail will be successfully added to your Facebook account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.